What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bear Zapper Barbecue. Hope you're having a great day. Happy solar eclipse day. If you're in the U.S., I hope you got to see an awesome eclipse today. Here in Connecticut, it got cloudy just as we were going full eclipse mode. Not great, but in honor of the moon being awesome and getting in the way of the sun, we're gonna make some pizza. Because you know what they say? When the moon hits your eye, like a big pizza pie, and that's amore. So this is all love to you, and I love pizza. So got the egg going. Take a look. Whoop. Whoosh. Got the egg heating up. We've got it on the little stand here, and let it heat up real nice. Get piping hot. We're gonna start crushing some pizzas. Go Huskies. Some ground beef in here with some alright guys, AP rub, as well as Lane's signature, some onions, some garlic. We're going to use this to season our meat and throw it on the pizza. I'm going to make two different pizzas, a cheeseburger pizza and a version of the Puerto Rican pizza that I had in Puerto Rico. Banging. All right, we got ourselves our first cheese pizza about to go on. All right, we got pizza number 2. That's ground beef, onions, a little bit of garlic, mustard, ketchup, a little bit of chive on top, and we'll throw some pickles on at the end. And of course the cheese underneath. Cheeseburger pizza, banging. All right, the cheese is off. We've got the cheeseburger underneath, and I'm gonna throw my awesome one on top. All right, so we have the ground beef, the plantains, onion, some garlic, and hot honey on this bad boy. Throwing it on. Cheeseburger pizza's done. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. Oh, sick. All right, and the plantain ground beef and awesomeness is out. Look at the coloring on that. Beautiful. Yup.